How to manage public posts notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage public post notifications on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook mobile and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here just go down until you find this one, followers and public content. Click on it and then go down, and here you will find public post notifications, and now you can manage as you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's how to manage public post notifications on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.